Ever wondered what differentiates Bitcoin from Ethereum? Well, you're not alone. Both are leading cryptocurrencies with unique features and uses. But what exactly sets them apart? In this video, we'll dive into the differences between Bitcoin and Ethereum in terms of technology, use cases, and market capitalization. Firstly, let's discuss the technological differences between Bitcoin and Ethereum. At their cores, both Bitcoin and Ethereum operate using blockchain technology, a type of distributed ledger that records transactions across many computers to ensure security and transparency. However, the way they use this technology varies significantly. Bitcoin uses a system called proof of work. This is a method where miners solve complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. On the other hand, Ethereum is transitioning to proof of stake, a more energy-efficient method where validators are chosen to create new blocks based on the amount of cryptocurrency they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. Moreover, Ethereum's blockchain is designed with more complexity to support smart contracts and decentralized applications. These features allow for automated agreements and applications to run on the network without the need for a central authority or intermediary. So, while both Bitcoin and Ethereum use blockchain technology, they use it in fundamentally different ways. Next, let's explore the different use cases for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin, the progenitor of all cryptocurrencies, has carved out its niche as a digital currency and a store of value. It's akin to digital gold, a safe haven asset for the digital age. When you own Bitcoin, you're holding a piece of the digital economy that can't be devalued by inflation or political instability. Ethereum, on the other hand, serves a different purpose. It's not just a currency, but a platform that powers decentralized applications and smart contracts. It's like a supercomputer that anyone can use. The currency of Ethereum, Ether, is used to pay for transactions and computational services on the Ethereum network. This makes Ethereum more like digital oil, a valuable resource necessary for the new digital economy to function. In essence, Bitcoin is digital gold, while Ethereum is digital oil. Finally, let's compare the market capitalization of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin currently holds the crown with the largest market capitalization among all cryptocurrencies, a testament to its reigning status. However, not far behind is Ethereum, claiming the second spot in terms of market cap. What's particularly noteworthy is the speed at which Ethereum's market cap is growing, reflecting a surge of interest and investment. Despite Bitcoin's larger market cap, Ethereum's rapid growth shows its potential to challenge Bitcoin's dominance. To sum up, we've dissected the technological disparities, diverse use cases, and varied market capitalizations of Bitcoin and Ethereum. While both Bitcoin and Ethereum have their unique strengths, they serve different purposes in the world of cryptocurrency. So the choice between Bitcoin and Ethereum depends on your specific needs and investment goals.